How to use Zelle with Capital One. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to use Zelle with Capital One. So to use Zelle with Capital One, you just want to log into your Capital Bank mobile app first of all. Select your checking account and tap on the Send Money with Zelle section from the home page itself. When you do that, you then need to agree to the terms, choose your US email or find phone number for Zelle and complete the identity verification with the code sent to you. As you do that, you then need to enter the recipient's US email or phone number. Look for the purpose set for the existing Zelle user. Input the amount you want to send, confirm the details, and send. Funds usually arrive quickly, and you can send up to $3,000 per day, and that is basically how you'll be able to use Zelle with Capital One. So that's how things are done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.